In recent days, the social media is getting trending from the one of the video that is from the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu that is showing off some of the fake AI generated video, and which is six fingers it is in the hand. Let's break it down what exactly it is. People zooming in, circling his hand and screaming AI deepfaker, and even trying to crazy rumors that he is dead or injured from the Iranian strike. Let's break it down step by step, fact check it properly and get them truth. Stick around, spoiler, it's not what its rumor says. First, the video is in caution dropped and Netanyahu's official account and the Israeli government press of officials channels. He's addressing the nations about Israel operation against Iran amid all escalating tension, serious stuff, and talking target installation and securing Israel future. But around 0.34 seconds that when he points the gesture, the boom, social media explodes. Look, six fingers on his right hand. People shared the freeze frames and showed it down. It claimed that it's a classic AI error because the deepfake often mess up hands, write extra digits where the fusion, and we have been seen it before. So is this the proof that whole video is fake? That is really cooked up in AI Netanyahu to hide something big like him being out of the commission. There is went viral, he's dead from missile. This propaganda deepfake to fool the world. It fit right into the chaos of the Israel-Iran conflict where the misinformation flies from all the side. But hold up, major fact checker jumped in quick. Polite fact and snoops and lead stories and offer all related these claims are false. Here is why. In the full high-resolution original video, he has 5 fingers on each hand clear as day. That extra finger is an optical illusion. When he points the fleshy part of the base of his pinky, the hyponenar eminence, the plus some lightning shadow from his palm, and maybe a bit motion blur or compression artificate, it tricks that eye in a single frozen frame. Zoom into better angle or watch motion. Totally normal human hand and no 6 digit. AI detection tool run on the clip, super low score like a 1.1% chance is generated, and Netanyahu's he's popped up in other recent official setting. No credible reports of the death or injuries from mainstream outlet. Those death rumors are straight up to the debunk propaganda.